everyone, my name is Vejani and today I'm making a really easy snack or starter recipe which is made using green peas, wholemeal bread and a combination of spices. So let's get started with the recipe. So I'm going to begin with adding in the ginger and green chilies into a mixer grinder and crush it. And then add in the parboiled green peas and make a coarse paste. Then into a pan I'll add in the oil, and once it's hot I'll add in the mustard seeds and the hing or Asafoetida, and once they start to crackle I'll add in the prepared paste and mix it very well together. After about a minute I'll add in roughly chopped cashews and raisins, and then add in salt to taste and continue to cook the mixture for nearly 3 to 4 minutes. Season it with Garam Masala, Haldi or Turmeric, and mix the spices well together. Finally add in a few drops of lemon juice and finely chopped coriander leaves. Give it a final mix and let the mixture cool. Next we'll make the masala peanuts, for which I'll add in a little bit of oil in a pan along with the red chili powder and haldi. Once the spices are aromatic, I'll add in the crushed salted roasted peanuts and powdered sugar and salt to taste, and give it a good mix, and the masala peanuts are ready. Then cut roundels out of wholemeal bread slices and start assembling. So I'll apply some green chutney onto one bread roundel and then place the prepared stuffing, and I'll cover it with the other bread roundel and apply a little bit of butter on both the sides. And then roast it on a hot tawa or pan. So we'll make 2 or 3 sandwiches and roast them on each side for about 30 seconds to 1 minute until they are nice and crisp. So once they are done, I'll slice them in half, and then we'll apply some tomato ketchup on the edges. And we'll then dip the bread slices with the prepared masala peanuts. And our delicious masala bread bites are ready.